What's up, Bucks? My name's Amy.
Hey Bucks, my name is Mark.
Hi Bug family, my name is Bree.
We are inviting you to join us in all of our festivities next week as we kick off Do Be Nice Week. Do Be Nice Week is a tradition here at Bellflower.
As we all know, the Bee and Bug Prize stands for positivity. And with the support of the Do Be Nice Foundation, we're going to dedicate this week to building positivity in our community.
Beginning Monday, we will bring you Spirit Days that can offer you the opportunity to practice kindness, empathy, gratitude, and compassion right from your homes.
That's right. Let's start the week off right with Monday shoutouts. Design an Instagram story with pictures and a kind note thanking your friends or family, and we will post it on our We Are Bellflower Instagram.
On Tuesday, look for ways to help out around the house. Look for ways to clean and cook. Do the chore no one wants to do.
On Wednesday, Bellflower ASB will be recognizing a business in the community that they are thankful for. Join us as sending in pics of you supporting your local businesses as well to show your appreciation.
Thursday, let's practice saying yes with Say Yes Day. Say yes to anything your parents or siblings ask you to do, whether that's taking your dog out on a walk or cleaning the car.
Friday is extra special. We want every Buck family to plan ahead because Friday is family fun night. The one good thing about the stay-at-home order is we can spend extra time with our family. So let's plan a special night of fun.
I have a large family and I'm so excited to plan a special night for them. We're gonna play some board games, then eat dinner, and then watch. Wait for it.
Bellflower's first ever virtual rally. That's right, Bucks. We would be debuting a rally for you with performances from groups and organizations on campus.
Like any other rally, we're gonna have a spirit competition. So who will win? Will it be my class? The juniors won it last time.
No way, Mark. It'll be my class. The 7th grade class of 2025 also won the Spirit Stick at the last rally. Don't you forget it.
That might be true, but the sophomores are just warming up. Aren't we, 2022?
No matter who wins the Spirit Stick this Friday, being nice is one of the most important things we can do. So let's demonstrate kindness and appreciate those in our lives.
And be sure to join us Friday evening for our rally debut at 7 p.m. It'll be a perfect evening for the whole family.